My cam kit finally came in. I already cut the box open. Now let's take the stuff out and see what's in there. Ooh, sticker. What? Keychain. Nice. Little rubber one. That right there. Balancer bolt kit. Dual roller timing chain or double timing chain. Might not be able to use this because I was told that it can't work with the stock oil pump. I didn't choose to get a new oil pump because I figured I didn't need one, because they had two different ones, a high pressure and a high volume. Oh, made in Australia. Nice. A push rod checker. These must be the push rods. Yep. Nice. Dual valve springs. These guys didn't come with any keepers though. Just for the bottom of the spring, for the top. Oh, you know what? No, I know where I can buy keepers, but I don't think I need new ones. The water pump gasket kit down here. Some sort of seal. Figure out what that is later. And the main. Check this out. There we go. It's my cam specs. New camshaft. Now this will stay in here until it's ready to be put in. Now let me go get the lifters. Let's try this. Let's see if it works. Hey, there it is. Now let's turn the light on. I'll just come over here and go that way. Come on. Let's check it out. Ooh, stickers. Put the camera in the other hand. There we go. Hydraulic roller lifters. Came with the stickers in there. I know what I'll do with these stickers. Let's put everything back in here. Well, okay, this guy's gotta go back in here. Don't want to lose that. Don't want to forget what kind of cam it is. I already have it memorized. Where mine is 5250 or 5150 steel? What? Perfect. Let's put these stickers away. See here. Spider web's out the way. A drawer fell out. I actually had to take it out. Long story. That's a story for another video. Leave her up here. Hang on. What? Well, there's my multimeter. I was trying to find a long time ago. Jeez. How the hell did it get in there? It's supposed to be a manila envelope full of stickers. K5 Blazer, got that from a buddy in college, Corey. This is super old. Look at the year. Not too often I go up in here. Yeah, wiring diagrams for the Ranger I used to have a long time ago. Oh, battery tender cable. That'll come in handy. No! My stickers are gone. I don't know where they went to. Maybe at my dad's house. Well, said to put those away some other time. Found another sticker when I was digging in there. I don't know where this came from. Alright, well. Well, thanks for watching. Alright, Have a good day.